Say yesterday and day before yesterday you studied core Java. Okay. Today advanced Java first class. Today only advanced Java first class. So yesterday, day before yesterday, whatever I taught, that is core Java, not advanced Java. Today only advanced Java first class. Okay. So day before yesterday, 2 days back, I given advanced Java content. Okay. Those who are new, just note down advanced Java. Those who came today, just note down first topic jdbc, Java database connectivity. First topic jdbc. Those who came today, just note down the content. First topic jdbc. Second topic Solets. Third topic Solet listeners. Fourth topic filters. Fifth JSP, Java server pages. Sixth topic JSP using Java beans. Seventh topic JSP-EL, JSP expression language. Eighth topic JSTL, JSP standard tag library. Ninth topic MVC, model view controller, by using Java Bean, JSP and Solet. Last topic reflection API, application programming interface. See, today only advanced Java first class. Okay, today only advanced Java first class. Last two sessions, whatever I covered is that is core Java. That is not advanced Java. Okay. Yesterday, day before yesterday, 2 days, I taught only core Java. Actually, this batch is started on Monday. Okay, Monday started. Monday, just what is advanced Java? What are the advanced Java topics I given? Okay. Tuesday, Wednesday, I given only core Java concepts. Today only advanced Java first class. See, these are the topics comes under advanced Java. Those who came today, note down. Those who came today, note down. Advanced Java content. These are the topics I'm going to cover in this course. These are the topics I'm going to cover in this course. JDBC, Solets, JSP, filters, Solet listeners, filters, JSP using Java beans, JSP-EL, JSTL, MVC by using Java Bean, JSP and Solet, reflection API. These are the topics comes under advanced Java. Already given, advanced Java is a part of Java SC and Java EE. Which are the topics comes under Java SC? Which are the topics comes under Java EE? JDBC and reflection API are the part of Java SC. Remaining topics, that is also not done. JDBC and reflection API are the part of Java SC, and remaining topics are the part of Java EE. So first topic, last topic comes under Java SC. Remaining 8 topics, these all comes under Java EE. So according to Sun Microsystem, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. There is only Java. Okay. That Java divided into 4 editions. Java SC, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. In that, advanced Java is a part of Java SC and Java EE. First topic and last topic. These 2 topics comes under standard edition, and remaining all topics comes under enterprise edition. These all are given. Java SC stands for Java Platform Standard Edition. Java EE stands for Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Java SC stands for Java Platform Standard Edition. Java EE stands for Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Okay. This is advanced Java content. According to Sun Microsystem, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. There is only Java. That Java divided like a 4 editions. Java SC, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. But advanced Java comes under 2 editions. First topic, last topic comes under Java SC. Remaining all topics comes under Java EE. Okay. Already given course duration 60 to 70 days it will take. And class time 4 to 5:45. 4 to 5:45 will take. And Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. Okay. Now, today you are going to see first topic JDBC. Note down. JDBC. Today first topic JDBC. See, you should be very regular. You should follow my rules and guidelines, and you should practice. Then only you will get a subject. But only coming and watching, no use. Okay. So if you feel like a theater, if you watch like a movie, you will not get a subject. That you remember. Okay. Every day I'll interact with you. Then you have to give the answer. Yesterday, day before yesterday, you have seen, no? Yesterday, day before yesterday, you have seen last 2 classes, how I interacted. Like that, up to last class, I'll interact. Then only you'll get a subject. Okay. Only myself I'm teaching, yourself you are watching means you'll not get a subject. Interaction required. Then only you'll get a subject. Okay. Course completion is not important. You should get a subject. That is important. Okay. So JDBC, Java Database Connectivity, first topic. In advanced Java, first topic JDBC. See, already told you prerequisite. If you want to learn advanced Java, core Java up to exception handling knowledge is compulsory. Up to exception handling knowledge is compulsory. At least object-oriented programming, very depth knowledge required. Still, object-oriented programming is not completed means you better to wait for next batch. Okay. Object-oriented principles, if it is completed, you can continue. Otherwise, you can wait for next batch. Object-oriented principles, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, these 4 principles, and the language constructs class, object, and variables, methods, instance variables, class variables, local variables, instance methods, class methods, constructors, this keyword, super keyword, final keyword, abstract class, access modifiers, private, protected, public, default, interfaces, packages. These all concepts required to learn advanced Java. Still, if it is not completed, better to wait for next batch. Okay. So upcasting, downcasting, primitive type to reference type to primitive type, auto boxing, unboxing. These are all concepts required. Okay. Core Java up to exception handling or at least object-oriented programming. That topic depth required. Then only you can understand advanced Java. Because learning advanced Java, core Java prerequisite. It is compulsory. Without core Java object-oriented programming knowledge, first program also you cannot understand. Advanced Java means application development. Language already finished. You are going to develop application directly. So advanced Java, total advanced Java, real time. So real time, many people asked in core Java. It is advanced Java real time. In core Java language. With that knowledge, you can develop real time applications. So here, You are going to see online shopping, online exams, online results, login form, registration form, that type of programming. Advanced Java very interesting, but core Java most important. Okay, Advanced Java very interesting, very easy as compared to core Java. But core Java only most important for your career. For getting job, core Java knowledge is only important. If you are perfect in core Java, advanced is nothing. Very simple. If you are perfect in core Java, advanced is very easy. Okay. That's what. Whatever you studied in core Java, object-oriented programming topic, that is prepare and come. Even completed students also. You prepare and attend, it will be better. If you forget, no use. Okay. See, first topic, JDBC. End of the course, you can develop your own website also. Possible. End of the course. If you're every day, if you practice what are the programs I'm going to cover, then end of the course, you can develop your own website also. You can make it your own website also with Java programming. Possible. See, first topic, JDBC. Note down. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. So it is just a full form, not definition. It is full form. JDBC means Java Database Connectivity. So what we are going to do is one Java program, one database, we are going to connect with this. That's what that name is, JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. Suppose this is Java program. So Java application. Okay, this is database. This is database. Either Oracle database or MySQL database or SQL Server database. This is we are going to connect. Java application and database we are going to connect. That is the reason JDBC full form Java Database Connectivity. Java application and database we are going to connect. That is because if you want to develop any real-time application or if you want to develop any project in real time, first a database is compulsory. Without database, there is no project. You take any real-time project. So database is mandatory. So Java and database, we are going to connect with this one. That's what that name is, Java Database Connectivity. Now it is full form, not definition. What is definition? I'll give. Note down. JDBC is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. JDBC is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. JDBC is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. JDBC is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. JDBC is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. This is full form. This is definition. Now, for understanding this definition, first of all, you should know what is specification. You should know what is database application. So, what application you should know. What is database application also you should know. Then you will understand what exactly JDBC. See what I given. It is a specification. What is specification? For what purpose? To develop database applications. So by using specification, we can develop database application. Which language? Java. So core Java, whatever you studied, language. Here, whatever you are going to learn, specification. What is specification? That is I'll cover later. First, a database application I'll cover. So For understanding what is JDBC, you should know what is specification, you should know what is database application. Then only JDBC you can understand. Okay? Then only you can understand JDBC. See. First, database application. Note down. Database application. Next heading, database application. An application that communicates with database is known as database application. An application that communicates with database is known as database application. If any application that is communicating with database, then that application is called database application. If any application that is communicating with database is called as database application. Here again 2 points. Again 2 points. What is application? What is database? Okay. Say in interview also, they'll ask one question. You'll give answer. From your answer only, they'll make it one more question. They'll ask one question. You'll give answer. From your answer only, they'll make it one more question. Again, you'll give answer. Again, they'll make it one more question. Like that. Here also, what is JDBC? JDBC is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. What is specification? What is database application? What is database application? An application that communicates with database is called as database application. What is application? What is database? Like this. Every point you should know. Okay. Now, application. Note down. An application is a program. An application is a program in which we interact with on the desktop. An application is a program in which we interact with on the desktop. An application is a program in which we interact with on the desktop. So you are interacting means that is application. Any program with that you are interacting, that program is called application. Say, for example, I open Notepad. With Notepad, I'm interacting. With this Notepad, I'm interacting. This Notepad is called application. Suppose I'll open one command prompt. With this command prompt, I'm interacting. With this command prompt, I'm interacting. See, I'm interacting. So these all, it is nothing but application. An application is a program in which we interact with on the desktop. So with Notepad, I'm interacting. It's application. With command prompt, I'm interacting. It's application. If I open browser, with this browser, I'm interacting. With this browser also, I'm interacting. This browser also application. So here I'll interact with this browser. It is application. Now with Google also, I'm interacting. So this Google also application. Here Zoom software is there. With this software also, I'm interacting. That software also application. So you are interacting with one program, then that program is called application. If you write one Java program, with that Java program you are interacting, that Java program also called application. What is database? No. Database. A database is a software and it is an organized collection of data. A database is a software and it is an organized collection of data. A database is a software and it is an organized collection of data. See, application means you are going to develop, but database, it is already developed. It is software. It is already developed. What is this software? It contains data, organized data. How it is organized? Write it. Data organized in a database in the form of tables. Data organized in a database in the form of tables. Each table contains fields and records. 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 See, a database is a software and it is an organized collection of data. Data organized in a database in the form of tables. Each table contains fields and records. Say, how the data organized? The data organized in the form of tables. Every table, fields and records will be there. So organized data will be there. Data automatically organized in that software, that database software. Okay. Here, you observe. Here, if any application, suppose, if any application that is communicating with database, that application is called database application. See, suppose I'll open Notepad. This Notepad, can I call application? Can I call application? Yes, because I'm interacting with this Notepad. If you are interacting means that program is called application. So it is called application. Now, is it communicating with database? No, it is not database application. It is just application. Okay, it is application. I'm interacting. Now, suppose I'll open one software. Already you know this software. Now, I opened this one. Just connect username, password. I'm writing. Now, this is whatever I opened. This is it application or database? Now, think yourself and give answer. This window already you have seen. Okay, you are not new to this window. This window already you studied. Now, this is application or database. Think yourself. Don't depend on majority also. Majority also will give wrong answers. It will be happen. Okay. It is application or database. How many people answer application? Raise your hand. Online students. Online students also raise your hand. Okay. Okay. How many people answer database? Raise your hand. How many people answer is database? Your answer can be right or wrong. Okay. Next, online students. Okay. So almost online students, 50-50 they given. Now, here you observe this question. I am not asking before teaching. After teaching only asked. This much explanation I given. After that I am asking. Okay. See, while asking question, 50% people selected application, 50% people selected database, but some more students not given answer. Okay. Like here see example, 270 students are there online. How many people given? 100 members given. 170 members not given answer. But here offline also not given all people. My eyes on everyone. Okay. My eyes on everyone. All people not given answer. Now, I given only two options. Application or database. Application also not selected. Database also not selected. That means what is your answer? Database application I didn't give an option. First only application or database. Select only one. Either application or database. That is later. That is application or database. Application. Okay. See, while asking question also, many people hand is like this only. Hand is like this means they are not confident. If the hand is like this, you are confident. Automatically that hand will rise like this. If you are confident in subject, then automatically your hand is like this. If you are doubtful is like this, like this, like this. And even while asking question also, if you are confident, voice comes louder. Otherwise, beside person also cannot understand your voice. Very low voice comes. That is human psychology. Automatically it will happen. Okay. If you are confident in subject, voice comes louder. If you are not confident, your voice beside person also cannot understand. It will be happen. Okay. Now, see, just now I given an application is a program in which we interact with on the desktop. Here, myself, I interacted. I typed connect. I typed username. I typed password and it is connected. This program connected to database. It is not a database. This program connected to database. Got it, moment? Connected. Message you are getting, no? Connected. This program connected to database. This is not a database. But what is the problem is, suppose you already attended some students Oracle class. Oracle faculty every day will open this one only. Oracle is a database. You will think this is also a database. So this is not a database. Okay, general question. Database is front end or back end? It is front end or back end? Front end, but not a database. No, it's very simple. Database is a back end, but this window is front end or back end? Front end. This backside database is there. Can we see database? We cannot see database. We cannot see database. This is application. This application communicating with database. Then this is called as database application. So any application that is communicating with database, then that application is called database application. Now this is connected to database. With this communication with database possible, then it is called as database application. All database applications are applications, but all applications are not databases. What do you want? Any application communicating with database, then that application is called database application. So it is not a database. What is this? Application. Can I call database application? Yes. But can I call database? No. It is not database. Got it? So here it is connected to database. It is connected to database. So database is a software and it is an organized collection of data. That is backend. We cannot see. So data application is front end, database is backend. Write this point also. Application is a front end, whereas database is a backend. Application is a front end, whereas database is a backend. Application is a front end, whereas database is a backend. See, application we can call it as front end. Database we can call it a back end. Back end we cannot see. Database we cannot see. It is not possible to see. Okay. See here. Suppose with this is on program. This is on program. With this program we can interact. That means application. Okay. With this program interaction possible. Then this program is called application. Suppose here one database software. It is one database software. So why database software? We are writing like a container because it contains data. Container type we are writing diagram. Huge amount of data can be stored. That is the reason container format we are writing diagram. So large amount of data can be stored in this software. Huge amount of data can be stored in this database. So 10 GB also, 10 terabytes also, 10 petabytes also, zettabytes also we can store. That much data can be stored. See example, Gmail database is there. Gmail. How many mails are there in your mailbox? 10 years back mail also still it is there in the mailbox. Okay, is there no? Your mailbox. If you open mailbox, thousands of mails are there. 10 years back mail also still it is there in the mailbox. But like you, how many people are using Gmail? Worldwide. Crores of people are using. Like Facebook, WhatsApp, how much data will be there? Huge amount of data will be there. No? So, database can maintain the data. Huge amount of data can be maintained. That is the reason we are writing like a container. So, in a Facebook, how much data is there? Huge amount of data is there. See, whatever is there in your home PC, your photos, videos, audios, images, all you are uploading in Facebook. 1 GB also you are uploading. But like you, worldwide, how many people are using Facebook? 200 plus crores people are using Facebook. Then how much data will be there? You are only uploading 1 GB also. But the other people also, worldwide, crores of people. Whatever is available in the market, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte hard disk is, that is not suitable for our institute students also. Because 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte means one institute student also not suitable. Worldwide 200 plus crores of people are using. That type of database not available in the market. You have to give an order to manufacturer company, they'll make it. That type of hard disk. So that much data can be maintained. You open any internet server, data, they are maintaining in database. Huge amount of data is there. Gmail also, huge amount of data is there. In a Facebook also, huge amount of data is there. In a WhatsApp also, WhatsApp server also, huge amount of data is there. People are sending morning to evening so many messages. Good morning, good afternoon also they are sending, no? But that data is maintained, no? Sometimes what will happen, important information also may be missed. If you do like that, it's happening. So that much amount of data people are sending. But that data is, no one is deleting also. It is going to be stored in server. No one is deleting. Suppose if it is stored in your mobile memory is full, you will delete. But will you think about server? If it is your mobile data is full, then you will remove from your mobile. But a server, who will think server? Server memory? No one will think. Okay? It is going to be stored in server. So, huge amount of data can be maintained. That's what this diagram is, container type. It's a one database. Any one database, it's a one database. Here, this application communicating with database. Then this application is called database application. So, any application that is communicating with database, then that application is called database application. This database contains organized collection of data. How data organized? In the form of tables. Suppose one table, employee table. In this table, here, fields and records will be there. Suppose like this. Here, employee number, name of the employee, salary of the employee. Suppose employee number 101, some name of the employee, salary of the employee, employee number, name of the employee, salary of the employee, employee number 103, name of the employee, something salary of the employee, like this. Here, this employee number, name, salary, these are called fields. These are called fields. Okay. These are called records. These are called records. These are called records. Now, here, a database, it is a one software. A database is a software. Just you will enter the data automatically it will organize like this, because it is a one software. It contains some programs to maintain like this. Database nothing but it is a already ready-made software. Already some programs written. That's what it can organize data like this. Fields and records. So data, if you want to store permanently in the hard disk, either files required or databases required. Files if you maintain, you have to organize. Database if you use, system only organized. Database only will organize. So that is the reason in a software companies, they are not using files. They are using databases only. Okay. So here data automatically organized. Reason, it contains some programs to organize like this. It contains some programs. The programs already written. It is a predefined software. This on software. This software, it will organize like this, table format. So fields and records will be there. This is database. Any program that is communicating with database, then that is called database application. This is backend. This is called backend. We cannot see. It is not possible to see. This is front end. We can see. This is front end. This is we can see. That is front end. This is back end. Now, application communicating with database. Application communicating with database. But communication means one language required. No? See, I'm communicating with you by using English. You are communicating with me by using English. But like that, application communicating with database by using one language. That language is called SQL, structured query language. So all databases can understand only one language. That language is called SQL. SQL request passed, then SQL response comes. So database cannot understand Java. Database can understand SQL only. Any database. All databases can understand only one language, that is SQL, structured query language. So Oracle is a database. Oracle can understand SQL. MySQL, it is a database. MySQL can understand SQL. But with these names, people are getting confusion. What is MySQL? What is SQL? What is SQL Server? People are getting confusion. SQL is a language. MySQL is a database. SQL Server also database. So names are given like that. Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, DB2, Derby, FoxPro, DBase, Sybase. These are all databases. These all databases can understand only one language, that is SQL. So people are getting confusion with MySQL, Oracle, SQL. Now MySQL is also database. It's equivalent to Oracle. MySQL is not a language. MySQL is a database. SQL is a language. SQL is not a database. SQL is a language. All databases can understand only one language, that is SQL. Now, if we join in Oracle class, what faculty will teach? SQL. If we join in MySQL class, what faculty will teach? SQL. If we join in SQL Server class, faculty will teach SQL only. But SQL data types, syntax is different. That's it. Depends upon database. Depends upon database. Some data types are different. Almost SQL queries are same. Language same. Syntax is somewhat different given. That's it. Data types. So SQL is a language. SQL is a language. That's what databases, no need to learn. One database enough. Any database, what you are learning, SQL only. That's what, no need to learn 4-5 database also. One database, that best one, Oracle only learn, enough. Java people, first priority, Oracle only. Even if you learn 5-6 databases in Amirpet, after getting a job, they make you one more database. Again, you have to learn. Okay, it is compulsory. That's what, all databases not required. One database knowledge enough. In an interview also, they may ask only database related. But any database, same concepts will be there. Theoretically. Syntax is somewhat different, that's it. Data types only different, that's it. That's what, no need to learn many databases. One database learn. Maximum Java concentrate. One database knowledge enough. Okay. After getting a job, if they give other database, again you learn. But if you learn now 5-6 database, also no use. Okay. Write this diagram. Is it over? So here, it is application. Application, nothing but one program. With that program you are interacting means that is called application. Application communicating with database means that is called database application. This is, we can call it a front end. We can see. Database nothing but back end. We cannot see. Database is nothing but one predefined software which contains data. The data is organized data. How it is organized? In the form of tables. What table contains? Fields and records. This employee number, name, salary. These are called fields. These are called records. But application communicating with database to get the data with SQL. That is one language. Okay. Now this application, this database contains huge amount of data. What you require, that is you can send. You will get it. So you are sending request to get the data. Suppose only one employee number, 1 or 2 data required. You will send. You will get a 1 or 2 data. You want only employee numbers. You can send. You will get a data. You want name and salary. You can send request. You can get the data. You can send request to those who are drawing salary more than 5,000, more than 6,000. That type of request also you can send. You will get the data. Okay. Here, next studying SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used by application. It is used by an application to communicate. It is used by an application to communicate with the database. It is used by an application to communicate with the database. It is used by an application to communicate with the database. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used by an application to communicate with the database. See here, database, like a list of database softwares. List of database softwares. First one, Oracle. Second one, MySQL. Third one, MS SQL Server. Fourth one, DB2. Fifth one, Derby. Sybase. DBase. Fox Pro. Visual Fox Pro. Like this, so many are there. MS Access. Like this, so many databases are there. MongoDB. Postgres, so many are there. So many databases are there. Okay. So many databases are available. List of database softwares. Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL Server, DB2, Derby, Sybase, DBase, Fox Pro, Visual Fox Pro, MS Access, MongoDB. Just if you type in Google list of databases, hundreds of databases comes. These all databases can understand one language. That language name is called SQL. So these databases cannot understand Java. SQL only. SQL only it can understand. Okay. Now SQL is a language. MySQL is a what is that? Database. Don't get confused. SQL Server is a database. Okay. MySQL, SQL, people are getting confusion. MySQL is a database. SQL is a language. Oracle can understand one language that is called MySQL can understand one language that is called SQL. SQL Server can understand one language SQL. All databases can understand SQL. Okay. SQL is a language. MySQL is a database. Your SQL, our SQL not there. MySQL is there. Okay. So MySQL name they given like that. MySQL. MySQL is a database. SQL is a language. Okay. So these all databases can understand only one language, that is SQL. Now, whenever we install this software, two parts installed. One part is application, one part is database. Now, this window you are getting after installation of Oracle only, no? So Oracle software, if we install, then this window installed. With Oracle software only it is coming. But Oracle is a database. But is it database? No, it is not a database. Whenever you install database software, two parts installed. One part is database, one part is application. This part is, but where is database? We cannot see. Backside. That is backend. We cannot see. Databases we cannot see. That is backend. Backside. But data, if you want to see with this send request, data comes. That means data we can see, database we cannot see. But data, if you want to see, some application required. That's what they are providing application. Suppose in two parts, two parts installed. One part we can see, one part we cannot see. So database we cannot see. Suppose only one part installed. How to see the data? That is the reason this part. What do you mind? But when you join in Oracle class, everyday faculty will open this one only. What will you think? It is Oracle class, it is Oracle. It's not Oracle. Oracle is stored, but you cannot see. It is not Oracle. It is SQL prompt, SQL star plus. It is graphical user, it is a user interface to communicate, character user interface. Okay. So here, that is also write it. Database software contains two parts. First one, database application. Example, SQL. See, this is SQL star plus, SQL star plus, or SQL prompt. So SQL star plus or SQL prompt. Second one, database. Example, Oracle. So database software contains two parts. Database software contains two parts. Database application, database. Example, SQL star plus or SQL prompt. Database, example, Oracle. So Oracle we cannot see. That is database. SQL star plus SQL prompt we can see. That is application. So they given two parts. Two parts. This is application. This is database. Okay. Next. Application is also called as client. Database is also called as server. Application is also called as client. Database is also called as server. Application is also called as client. Database is also called as server. Say, if any software or if any program sending request to get the response, that is called client. If any software receiving request, processing request, constructing response, sending response back, that is called server. Client and servers means not computers. So most of the students, what they'll think is client is one computer, server is one computer, they'll think. Because suppose in your college, one lab will be there. Hundreds of systems will be there in one room. Hundreds of systems will be there. One more separate room will be there. There one sticker will be there, server room. Then what student will think? That computer is server. These computers are clients. Because server room will be there, no? They'll write on sticker server room. They'll think that computer is server, these computers are clients. Actually, client and servers are softwares. But in one computer only, clients can be installed, servers can be installed. See, in my computer only 4-5 clients are there, 4-5 servers are there. Like that. One computer only, all can be installed. But in real time, what will happen? Separate database, separate system they'll maintain. Servers separate they'll maintain. Client separate they'll maintain. So client software in one computer they'll install. Server software in one more computer they'll install. Database computer in one more they'll install. But here for teaching purpose, I'm using only one computer here. Client also here only, server also here only, database here only. Possible. Because these are softwares, not hardwares. Server is a software. Client is a software. Database is a software. All softwares in one place also possible. In real time, they'll make it separate. That's it. So client and servers, nothing but softwares. Write it. Client. A client is a software that sends a request to a server to get the response. A client is a software that sends a request to a server to get the response. Server. A server is a software that receives requests from the client, process the request, constructs the response, and sends the response back to a client. A server is a software that receives requests from the client, processes the request, constructs the response, and sends the response back to a client. A client is a software that sends a request to a server to get the response. A server is a software that receives requests from the client, processes the request, constructs the response, and sends the response back to a client. If any software that is sending requests to get the response, that software is called client. Any software receiving requests, processing requests, constructing response, sending response back, that is called server. Is it over? See, just now I given diagram. Application, database. Application is a client. Database is a server. Because database contains huge amount of data. From application, I'm sending request to get the data. Suppose employee number 1 or 2 salary only I want. You can send, you'll get it. And only employee numbers I want. Send, you'll get it. Those who are getting salary 5,000 above, those details only I want. You can send request, you'll get the response. That's what. Here, a server is a software that receives requests. What you want, it will receive. After that, it will process the request, constructs the response, send the response back. Suppose online results application. You will send hall ticket number. It will check, given hall ticket number is there or not. If it is there, that result loaded. Passed. That is response. You are sending request to get the response. What you are sending, hall ticket number. What you are getting, result. Like that is request response. So here, whatever you are sending, hall ticket number, no, that software nothing but client. Whatever is sending result, no, that software nothing but server. Like that. So client and servers are softwares. Client can be installed, server can be installed in same computer also. In a one computer, 5-6 clients, 5-6 servers also can be maintained. It is possible. So client and servers are not hardware parts, not computers. Client and servers are softwares. Okay. This software nothing but client. This software nothing but client. Suppose in a Oracle database, how many tables are there? I want to see. I'll write one query. Select a star from tab. Then all tables comes. My request password response came. But this is you can see. But where is this data? We cannot see. That is database. Backend. Server side processed, we got it. Okay. User can see front end. User cannot see backend. But front end communicating with backend. So that software also is there. But that software we cannot see. That is the concept. Okay. Now, client and servers are softwares. Client is a software, server is a software. Now, whenever we install database software, for example, Oracle, then two parts installed. One part is called database application. One more part is called database. But database application we can see. Database we cannot see. This database application called as client. This database is called as server. Okay. Now, up to here, whatever I covered, I'll ask questions, give answers. Okay. Now, what is JDBC? Java Database Connectivity. It is full form. What is JDBC full form? Definition? It is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. See, JDBC is a specification for what purpose? To develop database application by using which language? Java. But already database application, it is there. This is nothing but database application. Whenever I installed Oracle, with that only database application came. But why JDBC again? Already is there. This is a database application only, no? This is database application or not? Yes. But why JDBC? Already developed software is there. Okay. This is, suppose, one local area network in a LAN. LAN 100 computers are there. In one computer, database software installed. In remaining computer, this software installed. These all softwares can communicate with the database to get the data. So it is client. That is the reason it is called client. Database, no need to install in all computers. In one computer only install. All computers can use the same database. That's what that is server. These are clients. So 100 computers are connected together. In 100 computers, no need to install database. Say 5 computers are there. 5 computers are there. These 5 computers. These 5 computers connected together. In 5 computers, no need to install database software. 5 computers, no need to install in database software. Suppose in this computer, database installed. In this computer, database application installed. This application communicating with database to get the data. Possible. Possible. 100 computers are there. One computer only install database because that is called server. Server can communicate with all clients. Like client communicate with server only. But a server, it can communicate with all clients. So database software, suppose in this computer installed. In this computer, database software installed. In this computer, application installed. This application can communicate with this database. Possible. But suppose database installed in USA. Application installed in Hyderabad. That communication I want. Not possible, this one. That's what Java. With Java possible. Your database can be anywhere in the world. Your application can be anywhere in the world. Communication possible. That purpose Java. Java especially made for internet application. That is first class I explained. Java especially made for internet. How long internet will be there in the market? Up to that Java will be there. Internet usage or internet in future never comes down. Day by day internet usage increasing. It will never decrease. How long internet will be there? Up to that Java will be there. That's what Java is an evergreen subject. So here, this database, this application only in a LAN possible, local area network. But through Java, your database can be anywhere in the world. Your application can be any corner in the world, can communicate. That purpose Java required. That's the reason JDBC required. Okay. But everything is possible. Why JDBC? If everything is possible with that software only, why JDBC? JDBC not required, Java not required. So everything is not possible here. That is the reason we have to go for JDBC. So that is the reason we have a JDBC. With that JDBC, we can develop database applications. With that, we can develop database application. Now, Already, how many people are attending Oracle class? Just raise your hand. Okay. Online students. Say, those who didn't attend Oracle, you can understand Advanced Java class possible, but compulsory you have to learn Oracle. Okay, further required. So either continue parallelly or later, but join. Compulsory one database knowledge required. Those who didn't start Oracle, later you join. Compulsory. One database knowledge is mandatory for every Java people, every Java programmer. Compulsory. Okay, either now or later learn. Compulsory. Now, here in a Oracle class, what will happen? Oracle software installed. In Oracle class, those who joined, Oracle software installed. You will see SQL prompt, but you cannot see Oracle. No? Then what faculty will teach every day? With SQL prompt they'll teach. But it is Java class. That SQL prompt not required. Like a SQL prompt will write program. Got your point? So we don't require this one. We don't require that one. That type of program you are going to develop with Java. That means like a SQL prompt, you are writing program. That is JDBC. By using JDBC, what we can develop? By using JDBC, what we can develop? Database application. But that is SQL prompt, nothing but database application. That type of program we are going to write with Java. That's what we don't require that one. What we require? This one required. But this one can we see? We cannot see. That is the reason through Java program I'll send the request. In Oracle class, what you are doing is like this you are doing. Suppose it is Oracle database. Okay, it is Oracle database. It is Oracle database. What you are doing in Oracle class, every day you will open SQL prompt. SQL prompt every day you will open. With SQL prompt, you are sending request to get the data. Every day. Here what we'll do, we'll write one Java program. Here we'll write one Java program. One application will develop. This application communicates with database. So we don't require this one. Got in mind? Like a SQL prompt, you are writing one Java program. In that Java program, SQL you are writing. That SQL will communicate with database. Because database cannot understand Java. This program you are writing with Java. In that program, you are writing SQL. At the SQL prompt, SQL query you are writing now. That query you are writing in Java program now. That is only different. Whatever you write in SQL prompt, SQL query, that is we are going to write in Java program. That Java program will communicate with database. But Java program also, in a Java program, you are using SQL again. Because Oracle cannot understand SQL, Java. Oracle can understand SQL only. Here, we don't require this one. We are going to use Java application. With this Java application, we'll send SQL query. Like that, you are learning. Got it? Now, that is the reason JDBC required. Now, once again, I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. What is JDBC? Java Database Connectivity. It is full form. What is definition? It is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. Specification I didn't explain till. What is database application? An application that communicates with database. That is called database application. What is application? Application is a program in which we interact with on the desktop. With that program you are interacting, that program is called application. Application communicating with database, that is called database application. What is database? A database is a software and it is an organized collection of data. So it is one software. It contains data, but organized data, automatically data organized in the form of table format organized. What table contains? Fields and records. N number of fields, n number of records can be maintained. That is one software. It can maintain. That is, it contains some programs. That software is developed with C++ programming language. Database also developed with one software only, one programming language only. C++ they use it. Okay. So that is database. Database is front end or back end? Back end. Can we see database? No. Can we see application? Application is front end or back end? Front end. Application is front end. Okay. Whenever we install database software, how many parts installed? 2 parts. What are those? Database application, database. Example of database application? SQL prompt. Okay. SQL star plus or SQL prompt application. Example of database? Oracle. MySQL is a database or language? SQL server? SQL server is database. Okay. MS Access? DB2? Derby? These all databases can understand one language. SQL. SQL full form? Structured query language. So structured query language. Application communicating with database by using SQL. Application communicating with database by using SQL. Okay. Now, application is a client or server? Database is server. Application is a client. Database is a server. What is client? Client is a program that sends a request to server to get the response. Client and servers are softwares, nothing but programs. What is server? Server is a software. It receives requests from the client, processes the request, constructs the response, sends the response back to a client. Okay. See, online results application. From browser window, you will type hall ticket number. Your hall ticket number passed to server program. Server program, what it will do? It will receive hall ticket number. Then it will communicate with database. Given hall ticket number is there or not. That is called processing request. If it is there, total data loaded. That is called constructing response. That response it will send back to browser. That's what that is called server. It will process the request. It constructs the response. It sends the response back to a client. That is called server. Okay. Now, here, database and application. Here, don't write this one. Don't write. It is application. It is application. It is a database. It is a database. Now, database, can I call software? Database is a software already given. Database, can I call software? Yes. Software, can I call collection of programs? Nothing but software, nothing but programs only. Okay. Some instruction which are executed by system. Now that is. So database is one software. Okay. Application, can I call software? Yes. Application also one program. Program, nothing but software. That is one software. This is one software. Now, this software already developed. This software already developed. Predefined software. Suppose example, I'm using Oracle. But this application I'm going to develop with Java. This application we are going to develop with Java. Java language. With that language we'll develop. But this application, this database, we are going to connect. This application and this database we are going to connect. That is one software. This is one software. These two softwares, if you want to connect, one more software required. Okay. That software is called driver. So It is a one software. It is a one software. These two softwares, if you want to connect together, one more software required. Two hardwares, if you want to connect, also one software required. Say example, printer. Can I connect to printer? Can I connect to computer? Yes. Printer is a hardware. This is a hardware. These two hardwares, if you want to connect, also one software required. That is printer supported driver. Mobile, can I connect to computer? Mobile connected supported driver required. Then only possible. Can you connect all mobiles to computer? No. Which are supported, those only. So many electronic gadgets are there in the market. Can you connect all to computer? No. Which are supports, that is only possible. That type of software is there, possible. Otherwise, not possible. That software is called driver. But why it is called driver? Okay. So from year to year, data traveled. From year to year, data traveled. Traveling purpose driver required. That's what driver. Okay. The driver is on software. It will carry the data. So application to database, database to application, it will carry the data. That is the reason that software is called driver software. Okay. That is, we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Be regular. Every class important only. I'm not teaching story. Whatever required this one, programming purpose, that is only I'm teaching. Okay. So every class important only. Be regular. Every class important only. We'll see continuation tomorrow.